Alright, doing a quick video of the van, just to get a feel for space for anyone that might be interested. Gonna do a walk around. I just gave it a bit of a clean, so that's why there's soap suds there. So I was camping last weekend. So that's the vent for the furnace. That's where the water goes in. A bit of fading on the decals. It was camperized by GTRV in Richmond in 1998, I believe. There's a decal on the inside that has all the camping camperization specs. So we'll start with the driver's front seat. Just gonna go through all the little controls here. Cruise control. It's got 292 kilometers now. I think in the ad I said 290, but I've just been back and forth to Defino a fair bit. Bluetooth, stereo, and microphone installed. The aircon doesn't work. The aircon was disconnected and it doesn't exist anymore, so no air conditioning. Here's the latch for the pop top. So in order to pop it, you just pull that forward, loose there, like that, and then you just push up on the that there. But you always want to make sure it's fastened if you're driving anywhere. Alright, and I'm just gonna get a view from the back of the back from the front, but I'm gonna go around just because it's easier to see from the other side. This door opens up, oopsies, and then it's just the refrigerator, sink, but that door is the one that you use in order to get in and out. This one just opens so you can access different things. This is just the venting for the sink. I have a bit of dish soap that I just stored there. And over here we have a table. So in order to use the table, you just pull that guy out, usually on the other side, but you just pop into the floor like that, and then this down velcros. And then you've got your table on that side. And here is the propane tank. So that guy removes. You just undo it and then can easily remove it, swap it out, get a new one at the gas station. Easy peasy. There is a little bit of rust under, I don't want to take it off, but under this seal there is a little bit of rust. That's just chipped off paint, but I should repaint it. And yeah, so if you want to use any of the camping amenities, you just twist the propane on. It's similar to a Westphalia in that regard, but Westphalias usually have built-in propane tanks, I believe. This did chip off, and then I refiberglassed it and repainted it during the winter time. Yeah, so there is a little bit of wearing off on the decal. I'm just gonna go from the back here actually first, make my way around. So this is the venting for the heater, or the where the heat comes out. That guy lifts up. That's the heater there. Inverter there. I use it for a bit of storage as well. And then I store blankets there, rear speaker, anything I need sort of thing. Under there is more storage. And I'll go around here. So now we're back over on this side. And just to get an idea of space, we've got, oh, I don't know, what is that? That's the size of a size 9 shoe, so maybe 3.5 feet of space between the seat. And then the nice thing about this seat is it spins around, so just kind of go over here, click that guy, And then that guy spins right around. And then you've got some pretty convenient seating. For 3 people. And the driver's seat does spin as well, but it sort of goes at a 45 degree rather than this guy goes, I think almost 365 degrees. Yeah, so that's where the heat comes out in the front. So there's a propane heater, and it works really, really well. And that was what was in the back of there. There's also a water tank next to it, and a sink. So you just press the button, and water comes out. And you clean the sink out. I was camping here. And then we've got this furnace here that's controlled by that guy. So it's as easy as turning the propane on, click on, and then just put the temperature, and then it'll fire up in just a few minutes. In like maybe 20 seconds it usually does. Light switch, other light switch. Curtains all around, no curtains on the front. This guy's a stove, so that guy goes like that. I should give it a clean out as well, but just to give an idea. So that's also propane. Just says keep the curtains away. Fridge. This guy's electric, so just kind of opens underneath the table if you have the table in. And I find the fridge lasts about 3 days if I'm camping, with using the lights and stuff like that occasionally. So if this flips up, more storage in there. I just keep like plates and bowls and stuff like that, kitchen supplies. More storage underneath. Food I just keep in there. And then I think I posted this already, but this is the specifications. Oops, some water's dripping off from when I had that on. Anyways, yeah, that's all the camping specs. Let's see what else we've got. All the lights work. Trying to think what else I have to go over, but anyways, that gives an idea for space, sort of, hopefully. It is pretty convenient for camping. The fire extinguisher might need to be replaced, I think. I didn't replace it. Also, I'd recommend a carbon monoxide detector if you're using the heater. There's portable ones that you can get a digital readout. I saw on Amazon that I would probably buy. So yeah, I'm just gonna do one last walk around. And you know what? I'll pop the pop top too while we're here, because it's kind of fun. So yeah, for the pop top, it's just uno, dos, then just push up, and you've got a camping roof. I'll do one more walk around with the camping roof. Pull the spray bottle out.